next.
What's that?
Letter from a supervillain I caught last year.
You remember that creepy bloke called Light Killer?
What was his power again?
Switching lights out.
Right.
It's brand new superhero comedy No Heroics. And then at 11...
Because I'm a celebrity out here, Billy.
You believe him?
No.
Vince is making a major career choice in Entourage on ITV2.
When a family member goes missing, the first 72 hours are the most critical to finding them. Cutting Edge Race Against Time tomorrow night at 10. And next, a Time Team special tests a groundbreaking theory about the secrets of Stonehenge. Is it a monument to the dead?
So can Curtis turn back time and fix everything? Head over to e4.com/misfits to chat, learn more about next week's episode, watch preview clips and view a load of hidden stuff that you won't get anywhere else. Well, Britney Spears is out for revenge and toxic in How I Met Your Mother, next on E4.
The talk is of an end.
That's next week at the same time. Well, there's another chance to see this week's episode of Desperate Housewives this Sunday night at 9, and then it's straight into a new episode at 10 as Catherine steps up mission Get Mike Back. Next tonight, though, Glee, which is running on a little extra added something.
And you can see that next Wednesday night at 10. And tomorrow night, there's no need for shame. We're all the same as our dishy docs take to the road once more for some serious sweating and ballooning bellies, to name but a few of the problems in embarrassing bodies tomorrow night at 9. Next tonight, though, Rupert's back, but this time he's following in the footsteps of the Victorian sex explorer.
See that story of the Blue Streak missile as engineering Britain's superweapons continues next Wednesday at 10. Next on More 4, Undercover Dispatches reports on post-coalition Zimbabwe, where violence, anarchy and corruption still persist, and in some cases are bankrolled by Mugabe's business connections in the City of London.
Thursdays are funniest every week over on E4, with lots of comedy from brand new Reaper at 9. Tomorrow here on 4, are we about to come back to Team Daniel? Ugly Betty is at 10. Next, though, proof that drink and drugs never mix, especially when you add a video camera to the mix. Rude Chew. Coming up.
Next week looks like a cracker, but the shades are on and it's a race against time tomorrow night for Horatio Kane and the team as the brand new season of CSI Miami continues tomorrow at 9. Next, Demi Moore and Alec Baldwin star in the psychological thriller The Juror.
Do not miss brand new Hotel Inspector, Monday at 9, over on 5. Next, Scandal Overload in Neighbours.
The Darkest House season continues tomorrow with White Tribe from 11:05. And next, we're back to the year 1993 when Darkest plied LaToya Jackson with burning questions. And my, was it a roasting. Next.
Gordon's in the kitchen at Oscars, where diners play a waiting game. Nightmare? You bet. Next.
Ryan takes a huge leap in the wrong direction when he vies for Rebecca's affection, brand new Brothers and Sisters, tomorrow at 10. How did it all go so wrong for the man who forecast no more boom or bust? Dispatches Crash Gordon next.
And Gandhi continues next Saturday at 8:20. Celebrating 40 years of the famous Monty Python troupe next, including interviews and archive footage. It's Almost the Truth with the BBC Lawyer's Cut.
And that'll be slightly later next week at 8:30. And you can catch up with the series so far on the BBC iPlayer. Next here on BBC Two, Top Gear's James May joins the teams on Have I Got a Bit More News for You.
Lord, we don't need another...
For video clips and interviews, visit the website at channel4.com and search for When Boris Met Dave. And tomorrow night at More 4 we continue to follow the extraordinary talent of Alex Stubbs as he brings us a remarkable performance of Bach's St Matthew Passion, A Boy Called Alex, the concert tomorrow night at 10. Next though, the fascinating, largely unknown and ultimately tragic story of Prince Charles's other mistress.
A hot lunch date and an email that Lance just can't ignore. E4's new comedy Phone Shop continues on Thursday night at 10 o'clock. More Skins on the way next tonight with a whole load of trouble and strife for Katie.
Flown into Canadian wilderness, find out how one man armed with just basic provisions and a camcorder survives against the odds. Made even more interesting as he isn't a survival expert. Alone in the over on Channel 4 plus 1 next. And here more for Tom Parker Bowles is cooking the pig, the whole pig and nothing but the pig on the F Word.
More comedy on 4 and the IT crowd have absolutely nothing going on in their underpants next.
In this week's True Stories, convict cowgirls are the sweethearts of the prison rodeo who risk life and limb against their male counterparts. That's tomorrow at 10. Next tonight on More 4, could a hot woman be the reason the TV weatherman disappears without a trace?
Oof. Laurie David has a hot date lined up, but is in for a bit of a surprise. Brand new Curb Your Enthusiasm Thursday night at 20 to 11. Next tonight, though, a daughter manages to go missing not once, but twice in Brand New Without a Trace.
Post-Second World War, British governments invested in a massive array of weapons, from the H-bomb to Blue Streak, charted in Engineering Britain's Superweapons, next Wednesday at 10. Are flaws in policing, health and legal systems failing to protect children from murder by their parents or carers? Dispatches, The Children Britain Betrayed is next.
And you can catch that next Wednesday night at 10. As more and more of us struggle with debt, Dispatches goes undercover to investigate the debt collectors. That's next on More 4.
Hugh Fearnley-Whittingstall braves the elements to catch Cornish sardines. River Cottage Gone Fishing starts next over on Channel 4. And here on More 4 at 9... what success for Kirsty and Phil in Oxfordshire with 2 couples and near $500,000 each to spend in location. Next, tonight's More 4 News.
And Sarah is back to help Kitty, and Justin is near breaking point as the brand new series of Brothers and Sisters continues only here on More 4, Thursday night at 9, right after The Good Wife. Next though, Phil and Kirsty had better get this next one right, or it'll be off to the tar for them in relocation. If you are or were a child in care or have experienced similar events to those in tonight's Cutting Edge, you can find support online. Go to channel4.com and search for The Homecoming. Next tonight, it's Father Ted.
Claire Danes, Robert De Niro, Ian McKellen all star in the fairy tale that won't behave, Stardust, tomorrow night on Channel 4 at 7. Next tonight, from Z-Cars to Last of the Summer Wine, we're praising the legend of Thora Hird, a hero of comedy.
How far would you go to care for your animal? Sunday on More 4, meet the special needs pets at 10:05. There's more US drama next on More 4, though. The Closer is on the way.
Risking everything, including your life, True Stories follows the 2009 Afghan elections with some interesting results. Vote Afghanistan, Tuesday night at 10, and there's more about that coming up shortly. Next though, Branda's handed a clue to murder in The Closer. And we find out what it was like for the people caught up in the catastrophic events of 1066, the battle for Middle-earth, Saturday night here on More 4 at 9:45. Next though, all rise for Judge Will, and Alicia has to help a neighbour out of a mess that Peter caused in a catch-up with The Good Wife. A team of men whose exploits became a thing of legend. We go behind the most successful secret army of all time, the SAS. Commando, Wednesday night here on More 4 at 10. Next, though, the Time team go in search of a missing part of a house with a violent past after the break.
It's all sunshine on 4, where Cillian Murphy, Rose Byrne and Chris Evans get a serious roasting in Danny Boyle's first sci-fi thriller. Here, the More 4 darkest house season's about to finish with perhaps his most personal film yet. Son of Mine is next.
Is Arthur about to turn against Merlin? Surely not. We're back in Camelot next here on BBC 3, and then we meet the cast and crew and dabble in more of that kind of shenanigans in Merlin Magic and Secrets tonight at 8:45.
Ben Fogle's surprise tropical illness really has thrown an ice pick in the works as the South Pole Challenge continues next. And in the film comedy Confetti, Martin Freeman and Jessica Stevenson are planning a wedding with a difference. Permission to cringe.
Tomorrow night at 9, there's a cold front coming as global warming ushers in a new ice age in eco-disaster epic The Day After Tomorrow. But next on Film 4, the Fright Fest season delves into the dark and bloody origins of a horror icon. The story of Leatherface in Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning.
Hung number 2's here next Thursday at 10. On Monday, the next brand new missing persons story and the rekindling of an old flame. Jack and Samantha, FBI agents in Lust, from 10. And tonight, Larry's back, but nothing's improved. He's still objectionable, sly, disloyal, insensitive, and hilariously offensive in the new series next.
And there's a brand new episode of Life over on BBC One on Monday at 9. Next tonight is Nowhere Safe from the onslaught of technology. Our guinea pig family are thrust into the exploding technological world of the 1990s in Electric Dreams. Next.
And the entire series of Nature's Great Events is available on BBC DVD. Next tonight we're joining Natural World, and it looks like there might be something wrong with Echo.
Get involved in TV Club. Visit channel4.com/watching to find out how. The In-Betweeners' quest for sex leads them to an old people's home. That's next.